ready to turn your spreadsheets into a strategic powerhouse. Welcome to Data Analytics in Excel, the definitive guide to mastering data analysis and visualization to extract maximum value for your organization. In today's rapidly developing market, businesses are desperate for data-savvy professionals. This course is designed to bridge that gap, transforming Excel from a simple grid into your most essential tool for high-end analysis. We start with the fundamentals, mastering optimal layouts and essential spreadsheet logic. Next, we dive into preparation, where you learn to clean raw data and strip away duplicates like a pro. Finally, we move to advanced analysis, tackling predictive what-if toolkits and building professional-grade dashboards. This isn't just theory. Every module is packed with hands-on practical examples designed to solve real-world business problems the moment you finish a lesson. It's about moving from raw information to a clear strategic advantage. Are you ready to analyze? Enroll in Data Analytics in Excel today. 4 hours of intensive learning, 1 comprehensive certification, and a lifetime of better decisions. Let's get started.